Hi, my lovelies. Today we're going to do some quilling. You'll have quilling paper and quilling tools on each table. Remember to put your quilling paper in the quilling tool, then slide it to the end and turn. You'll also have on the table the small glue bottles and some toothpicks. You only need a tiny little bit of glue to hold the paper together. Let's take a look at someone turning the quilling paper. Watch as she puts the paper in the tool and then turns the paper slowly and evenly. Once the paper is completely turned, you'll put just a dab, shape it, and then put just a dab of glue on the paper to hold it in place. You can make all sorts of designs with your quilling paper. Here are some great shapes you can make and some great designs. You decide what you'd like to make. To the left, you'll see a whole bunch of design and shape ideas. To the right, you'll see how to take those shapes, put them together to create something new. Butterflies, flowers, trees. You're only limited by your imagination. I can't wait to hear what you've made.